Dear children, today I am going to explain the third poem of Flamingo, that is Keeping Quiet, Pablo Neruda. He is the poet, author of this poem. Now about Pablo Neruda, you can read in the book about his life and about his writings. What is you see his achievement in the field of English literature. He is also a Nobel Prize winner. Now, Keeping Quiet. Before I explain the poem, the poet actually wants to tell that in this world there is always rush and there is always killing. How the destruction is going on every moment, that the poet has brought out through this poem. The poet is telling that if the whole world, if all of us become silent, then this kind of destruction, this kind of killing can be stopped to some extent. We will get relief. Now, just I am starting the first two lines. Now we will count to 12 and we will keep still. The poet is telling now we will count to 12, but here it is not clear what is this 12. Whether 12 that is the number or 12 days or years, that is not very clear. Now we will count to 12 and we will keep still. So what he advises us that we must keep still. Still means motionless. For once on the face of earth, let's not speak in any language. Now what the poet is telling in the third and fourth line, for once on the face of earth, it's let's not speak in any language. Now you see, on this earth people are speaking thousands of languages. Even the language changes at every 10 kilometers. So the poet advises us that we must not divide the human beings on the basis of languages. We should not speak at all any language. We must remain complete silence. We must remain complete silent. Let's stop for 1 second. What the poet says, let's stop for 1 second. Suppose if we stop for 1 second, अगर हम 1 सेकंड भी रुक जाते हैं, and not move our arms so much. यहाँ पर arms का मतलब एक तो hand से है और arms weapon से भी है. So we should not move our hands, or we should not apply the weapons. We should not fight the war. We must be totally silent, motionless, without any activity. Next stanza, it would be an exotic moment. अगर पूरी दुनिया में इस तरह से एक पूरी दुनिया शांत हो जाएगी तो ये कैसा मूवमेंट होगा? एग्जॉटिक. एग्जॉटिक कहते हैं अनयूजुअल मूवमेंट. एक बहुत ही विलक्षण अनयूजुअल मूवमेंट होगा. विदाउट रस, क्योंकि उस समय हर कोई जो है वो बिल्कुल मोशनलेस साइलेंट होगा. विदाउट रस, न तो कोई रस होगा. विदाउट इंजिन्स, और न कोई मशीन्स की आवाज़ आएगी, इंजन्स की आवाज़ आएगी। We would all be together। और वो क्या एडवाइस देता है कि हमें क्या करना है? We would all be together। हम एक साथ इकट्ठे हो जाएं। We must be united together in a sudden strangeness। क्योंकि इस तरह का एटमॉस्फेयर, एनवायरनमेंट कैसा होगा? स्ट्रेंजनेस, बड़ा सरप्राइजिंग होगा। क्योंकि इतना बड़ा संसार जो है, इसमें हर समय 24 आवर्स हर तरह की आवाज़ होती रहती है। बहुत सारी जो है किलिंग, डिस्ट्रक्शन, एक्सीडेंट्स, दे डू टेक प्लेस एवरी मिनट, एवरी सेकेंड। लेकिन जब व्हेन द होल वर्ल्ड बी इन साइलेंस, पूरा वर्ल्ड जो है साइलेंस में होगा, तो ये जो क्षण होगा, ये जो मोमेंट होगा, दैट विल बी वेरी एक्जॉटिक, बहुत अनयूजुअल होगा। और कैसा होगा? बहुत सरप्राइजिंग होगा, क्योंकि ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है। सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस स्टैंजा ऑल्सो।